Shandong Jinbolida Precision Machinery Co. Ltd is a leading enterprise in China positioned as a leader and producer in the research and development of intelligent equipment for cold bending forming, intelligent manufacturing, and industry technological innovation. Jinbolida committed to the research and development and intelligent manufacturing of various cold bending production lines, solar photovoltaic bracket production line, comprehensive pipe gallery seismic support production line, structural finished product production line, welded pipe production line, supermarket shelf production lines, cable tray production lines, guardrail production lines, automotive beam production lines, and other series. Jinbolida can provide customized production lines according to customer needs, with different configurations ranging from semi-automatic to fully automatic solution. The production of finished products includes a full range of special shaped parts such as C-shaped, U-shaped, Z-shaped, zigzag, M-shaped steel, as well as welded pipes, foot pedals, guardrail plates, cable trays, etc. The products cover fields such as photovoltaic brackets, new energy, municipal engineering, automobile manufacturing, steel structures, warehousing and logistics, electrical engineering, elevators, etc. Jinbolida has a registered capital of $14 million and a stock code of 20,800. It has an enterprise technology center, engineering laboratory, technology innovation demonstration enterprise, and more than 32 invention patents, filling multiple industry gaps. The company covers an area of 70,000 square meters and has a scale output value of $1.5 billion. It has intelligent manufacturing throughout the entire industry chain. Jinbolida provides reliable solutions and technical support, with over hundreds product solutions and hundreds of collaborations business accumulation enterprises, including some well-known industry leaders. Witnessing the strong strength of Jinbolida, Jinbolida adheres to the principle of excellent quality, reputation first, and service first, and its products are exported to Southeast Asia, Europe, America, the Middle East, Africa, and other countries and regions. Jinbolida adheres to excellent quality and enthusiastic service, and welcomes new and old customers to visit and negotiate with our company for mutual benefit and development.